In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a new feature of Cohere's Coral, which is called as grounding. If you're not aware of what Cohere's Coral is, then let's ask Coral about it. So when you ask it, it is telling us that Cohere's Coral is a B2B AI assistant powered by a LLM designed to integrate with customer service platform to help employees with their tasks. It is trained to be chatty, reason and write with the base model. And there are a lot of other things which can you can do with Cohere's Coral, and I have various videos around it, and I'll drop the link in video's description. Now let's get back to this new feature of Coral, which is called as grounding. With the help of this grounding, which you can play around in this Coral showcase, which is free, with the help of grounding, you can now chat with your PDF documents, which is huge. All you need to do is to simply either drag or drop or select your file, and the current limitation is 10 MB per PDF file, and then you can start having a conversation with the information within that PDF file. Once you upload your files to this showcase, Cohere is going to keep your files for 30 days. That plus you can also now restrict your search or chat with specific web domains. Once a domain is specified, Coral will use the latest information from that source to make responses to your questions as relevant and accurate as possible. Now let me show you a quick demo of it. Now I'm already on this Cohere's Coral. As you can see, the grounding feature you can access by right clicking on this grounding button, and then you can see that it is also telling you what grounding is. Grounding can define external sources of knowledge for Coral to ground its answer against. Okay, cool. And here on the bottom of this right hand panel, you can see that there is a drag and drop section where you can either drag drop your files or browse them. Let me drag a file there, and this file is Oracle database documentation from Oracle version 11G, and it is simply 1.1 MB, so it should be good. So that's done. Now, if you want to talk to this document or PDF file, you all you need to do is to select it, and then you can start chatting with it. Let me also show you this file. Sorry, that was not an Oracle file. I actually used it for another video, but for this one, I'm going to use this PDF file for this paper, which is Long LoRa, and I have done another video on it, by the way. So I'm just simply going to use this paper, which is of 17 pages. It has few diagrams, lot of tables and background and lot of stuff which you would expect in a paper, and then at the end there is a bibliography too. Okay, now let me ask few questions around it in our dashboard or Coral Showcase. So you can see I already have selected it. Let me um, write a prompt and ask it about what is long LoRa. Press enter, and then it is saying that according to its research, long LoRa is an efficient fine-tuning approach, and it goes on and on, which is great. And then on the right hand side, it has taken the file which I uploaded uh, as a reference. Cool. And by the way, this is correct. And I'm asking it what is long alpaca, which is a data set. Is long alpaca a data set or LLM? This is bit of a contextual question. Okay, yeah, that is correct. And this is referring to the data set, which is awesome. We can also ask it bit of a general questions. And I now, for example, I would say, what is LoRa? Yep, that is cool. Who are the authors of this paper on long LoRa? Let's see if it is able to detect the names. So these are the names Yu Kang Chen. Let's check it out in the paper. So that is correct. So these are all the people who are here. Let's also ask it if it is able to summarize this abstract. Are you able to Summarize the abstract in 3 lines. Let's see if it is able to do that. Yep, that is cool expansion of LLM context window. That is huge. Now let's ask about something about this context. Why LLM context is important. Nice, absolutely spot on. And what is LLM context? Yep, that is cool. Now let's go into the paper and see if we could ask it that can it explain this figure 2. Can you explain figure 2? Can you explain in simple words the figure 2? Let's see if it is able to explain it. I think it, you know, I think let's change the prompt. What is figure 2 in the paper, in the document, telling us? Let's see. Okay, I think it is unable to exactly read through it. Um, so this one was bit off, but still, I believe that it is quite good at reading the whole text and giving us the background on it, which is amazing. And then it has few other information around it. Let's ask it a last question about shift short attention. What is shift short attention in simple words? Yep, correct. Yeah, that is great. So you can see that how easy it is to talk with your PDF file with the help of this. And now if you think about your own company's data, which is in PDF format, you don't have to worry about a lot of things now if you are using this service because it makes it so easy. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.